Yesterday's class, I've discussed about sum of first n terms of an AP. May I know the formula, children? Anybody, Madan? I want the formula from Madan. I told all of them to go through this. This is there, the textbook, children. I just explained the derivation of sum of first n terms of an AP. Do anyone have any doubt in the derivation of the formula, children?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Madan, I want the answer from Madan. What is the formula, Madan?
Ma'am, an is equal to a plus 1 n minus 1 of d.
That is the nth term of an AP. I want sum. Sum of nth term of an AP I want. Yes, Madan, we are waiting. Madan, are you there? Yes, Rahul? Ranjani?
Yes, ma'am. So the formula is
Yes.
S is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d.
Very good. Where is Madan? Yesterday I just done the derivation of sum of first n terms of an AP, that is S is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here you can take, if we split 2a, a plus a, so that you are getting S is equals to n by 2 into a plus nth term of an AP. That is the last term. We are calling as a and also as L. So S is equals to n by 2 into a plus L also we used to call. Then yesterday I've discussed few examples to children.
Yes, ma'am.
Few examples I've discussed, and even exercise 5.3 first 4 sums I asked you people to do it. Here the first 4 sums.
Wait.
So these are the first 4 sums in exercise 5.3. Find the sum of the following APs. First question, 2, 7, 12, 2, 10 terms. I asked you people to do all these sums yesterday.
Yes, ma'am, I did.
So here they gave 3 things. First term they gave. What's the first term? A value.
2,
2,
D value.
5.
Then A,
7.
5, ma'am.
7 minus 2, it is 5. Common difference is 5. And what is AN?
10.
10. Here A, D and AN value they have given. We need to do the sum of all these 10 terms. Am I clear, children? So by applying all the first one, let A be the first term, D be the common difference, A value 2, D value 5. So I will apply all these values in sum of first n numbers, that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So as I said, here 10 terms they said, n value is 10 by 2, 2 into 2 plus 10 minus 1 into d. So answer is 245. Have you all got 245, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll go for second one. Second one, A value minus 37, D value 4, then N value 12. So have you all got minus 180?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm asking to everyone. Only Ranjini is answering.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Third question. Decimal number. A value 0.6, D value 1.1 and N value 100. So we'll apply in this formula. So S100 is equals to 100 by 2 into 2 into 0.6. So answer 5 What's the answer, children? 5505.
Yes, ma'am. 550 point.
Yes, ma'am.
5505.0.
Yes, ma'am.
0.0.
0.0 means you can take only
It's
5505.
5505 only, no, ma'am.
Yes. Next sum. Next sum I said.
By
So
20, ma'am.
four
Answer.
questions they have covered everything. Integers, natural number, fractions, everything.
33 by 20. Yes, ma'am. Answer. Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, have you all got 33 by 20, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll go for second main. Anyone have doubt in the first main, children?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Second main, find the sums given below. Here the first question is 7 plus 10 1 by 2 it is, not 101 by 2. It is 10 1 by 2 plus 14 plus dash plus 84. Last term they gave. What's the A value here?
7.
7.
What's the D value? 10 1 by 2 minus 7. It is 21 by 2
7 by 2.
minus 7 is equals to D value 7 by 2. Last term they gave. See the question. A value they gave and D value. Second term minus first term, if you subtract, we'll get D value. And the last term, AN value they gave. Am I clear, children? So A, D and AN they gave. So we'll apply this in the formula and find out the value.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, first, in this one, we need to find out the N value, children. First, we have to find out the N value. AN value they gave, A value they gave, D value they gave. First, to find N value. After getting N value, apply these values in the sum of first N terms of an AP. Am I clear, children? So tell me the value of N.
23 by 2.
Everyone got same? A value 7 plus N minus 1, D value 7 by 2. So here 84 minus 7 will do it. So that we are getting 77. These two are cross multiply. 77 into 2. Then N minus 1 is equals to this 7. I'll take it down. I'll cancel with 77 by 7. This is 11. 11 2s are 22. If I shift minus 1 towards right side, that is N is equals 23. Have you all got N is equals 23, children?
23 by 2, no, ma'am.
Where are you getting 23 by 2, dear? See here. First, you need to subtract 7 from
Yes, ma'am.
84.
Yes, ma'am.
You are getting 77. Then
Yes.
77 divided by 7 by 2. So there you are getting 22.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I thought this 7 by 2, the 2 will come till here, ma'am.
Okay.
Down.
Then N is equals to 22 plus 1, 23. Now we need to apply this N value in the SN formula. So here we can apply. They are asking.
Yes, sir.
Every day Rahul is coming late. SN formula, last term they gave, last term value 84. So we can apply this in the formula. N value we have got 23 by 2 into A value 7 plus L value 84. Apply this and find out, children. Here A value 7. 7 plus 84. 91 into 23
Ma'am,
by 2.
1046 by 1046 and half.
Yes. 7 plus 84, it is 91. 91 into 23 is 2093 by 2. We'll write it in mixed fraction. It is 1046, 1 by 2. Anyone have doubt in the sum, children? Whenever you're getting the question, first write what they've given the question. Then it will be easy for you to do the sum. Next, second one. Second
Ma'am, so
question.
L is the last term, no, ma'am?
Yes, L is the last term. That is AN.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next, come to second one, children. 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus dash 10. Here, A value is 34. D value is
Minus 2. D value is -2, ma'am.
A value 34, D value is 32 minus 34, it is -2. And what is AN value?
10.
10.
10. Very good, children. Yeah, tell me the answer for the second one then.
286.
Yes, ma'am. 286.
One more, math.
Sorry, ma'am.
Yeah, what is the N value? First, tell me the N value.
13, ma'am. 13.
N value 13. Very good. Then N value 13, A value 34. Last term is 10. It is 13 into 44 by 2.
286.
Yes. Here A is equal to 34. D is equals to -2. Last term is equals to 10. And we'll apply in the formula. Then we'll get N value 13. That 13, if you apply in SN formula, we are getting answer 286. Anyone have doubt in the sum, children?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
We'll move on to the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question
Ma'am.
is -5 plus of -8 plus of -11 till -230. Here A value is -5, D value is -8 of plus minus of -5. It is -3. N value -230. Tell me what is the N value, children?
76.
76 is correct. I'm not getting others answers. Likit, are you there, Likit?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not getting answer today.
I'm doing, ma'am.
A value -5. D value is -3. AN value is -230.
Ma'am, and the final value is -8930, ma'am.
8930
Yes, ma'am. Correct, ma'am.
minus 8930. What is the N value?
76.
76. Very good. They will apply in the value, N value if we apply, A value -5, L value -230. We are getting 38 into -235. It is -8930. Any doubt, children?
No,
Next,
ma'am.
we'll go for the third main. Any doubt in the first and second main, children?
No, ma'am.
Third main, there are 10 questions are there. So I am not going to do all 10. 5 I'll explain. The remaining 5 I'll give as homework, children. See, first question. A value they gave 5. D value they gave 3. AN value they gave 50. Find N and SN. Same thing like how we have done in second main. I want the answer from everyone. A value 5. D value 3. AN value 50. First take nth term of an AP. AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Find out N value from that.
Ma'am, in this we use two formulas, ma'am.
It is coming 16.
16. Very good. May I know who's this?
Ma'am, Divyansh.
Very good. Then find SN. Same thing like second main. A value they gave. D value they gave. Nth term of an AP they gave. By using these three, find out N value.
440, ma'am. Answer.
Very good. Very good.
Hello.
First one. By using A value, D value and 50, we got N value 16. That N value, if you apply in sum of first N terms, we are getting N value 16 by 2 into 2 into 5 plus 16 minus 1 into 3. We are getting answer 440. Same thing like second main, children. First see what data they have given. By using that, you just find out. Anyone have doubt in the first sum?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Next, second one. Second one, A value 7 and nth term of an AP A 13 is equals to 35. We need to find out D and S13.
Ma'am, I got D value. Can I tell?
How did you get?
N value they gave, Aun Muhammad. A value they gave. N value they gave. N is 13. AN value 35.
Yes,
Take out
ma'am.
the given data, children. A value 7, N value 13, and AN value 35. Apply in nth term of an AP. You will get D value.
Oh, 7/3.
7/3.
Yes, very good. Apply the D value in a sum of n terms.
Ma'am, for which one?
13.
Sum of n terms. D value we got 7/3.
Yes,
Sum
ma'am.
of n terms.
13, 21. Ma'am, 273 answer.
Yeah, correct.
Yes, correct. Correct, children. Have you all got the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Only 3 answers. 3 students I got a reply. Others?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. 273.
Okay. Take to the third question. Third question. A12 is equals to 37. D is equals to 3. 5. A and S12. A12 means N value they gave 12. AN value they gave 37. D value they gave 3. Find out A and S12.
Ma'am, I got A value.
4, ma'am, 4.
Yeah, 4. 37 minus 33.
Correct, correct.
Let's wait for others to solve. N value 12. AN value 37. Lekha, I'm not getting answer from you, Lekha.
Ma'am, I'm still doing, ma'am.
Ma'am, answer is 246, ma'am.
Srividya. Neha. Nikita. Nikita, are you there? Nitya, Nikita.
Yes, ma'am.
Then why I'm not getting reply? What's the A value?
Ma'am, A is
Ma'am,
4.
A value is 4.
A is 4, ma'am.
4, 4, 4.
Very good. S12,
246.
246.
46.
246. Very good, children. Shall we move to the fourth one?
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth one. Take down data, children. A3 is equals to 15 and S10 is equals to 125.
15 or 50, ma'am?
15. 15. 15. And S10 is equals to 125. We need to find the value of D and A10. By using these two data, we need to find out D and A10. So S10 the value they gave, S10 in the sense SN value 125 and N value 10, and here 2A plus N minus 1 into D, because N value 10 is 10 minus 1, 9D. So that if I simplify, 2 1s are 2 5s are 125 is equals to 5 into 2A plus 9D. That 125, I'll take this 5 towards denominator. That is 2A plus 9D is equals to 25. Any doubt here, children? First, I'll take S10. S10 value. So I'm getting 2a plus 90 is equals to 25. Any doubt here?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Next, we'll take third term they gave. Third term of an AP they gave 15. Third term in the sense a plus 2d value they gave 15. I'll call this as equation 2. So we subtract both. Here equation 1 is get a subtract 2 from 1. So if I subtract 2a plus 90 minus a plus 2d is equals to 25 minus 15. Any doubt in this step, children?
No, ma'am.
So when I subtract 2a minus 8 is a, and 90 minus 2d it is 70, 25 minus 15 it is 10. Any doubt, children?
No, ma'am.
Still I did not get the value of a and d. So now what I'm going to do, I'll subtract this equation 3 and 2. I'll subtract equation 3 and 2. Again, if I subtract a plus 70 minus a plus 2d, here a and a will get cancelled. 0. 70 minus 2d is equals to 5d. 10 minus 15 is equals to minus 5. D is equals to minus 1. Anyone have doubt until to get d value, children?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Any doubt? That d value you can apply in any of the equation, either 1, 2 or 3. Any of the equation, if you are substitute the value d, we'll be getting a value. Here they applied d value in equation 2 here. D value it is minus 1 means it is become minus 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 if we shift towards right side, 15 plus 2 it is 17. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Here we
No,
got a value and d value. They're asking us to find out 10th term. 10th term is a10. So 10th term is a plus 90. Anyone have doubt here, children? They're asking us to find out 10th term, that is a10. It is a plus 90. So apply a value and d value in the 10th term and we'll be getting answer 8. Any doubt, children, here? Once again repeat. Here the given data is third term of an AP and sum of first 10 terms, that is 125. By using these two datas, we need to find out a value and d value. So S10 value they gave 125. That 125 S10 means n value 10 and Sn value they gave 125. Apply that in the given formula and we are getting 2a plus 90. We did not know the value of a and d. Call that as equation 1 and using third term of an AP, that is a plus 2d value they gave 15. If I subtract these two, I'm getting a plus 7d. Again, we did not get a value and d value. Again, subtract equation 3 and equation 2. If we subtract, we'll get d value. That d value, if we substitute in any of the equation, we'll get a value 17. They're asking us to find out 10th term of an AP. So that is 10th term of an AP is the as a plus 9d. That apply a and d will get the result. Any doubt, children?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Shall we move on to the fifth sum?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fifth question. Note down the value. D value 5. Sum of n terms. First n terms, that is S9 is 75. Find A and A9. D value 5. S9 is equal to 75. Find A and A9. Sum of first n values they gave. N value 9 and Sn is equal to 75. Apply that value, children, first. Sn value they gave 75. In that S9 they said it is 9 by 2. That we are getting.
9, no, ma'am.
Yes, n value 9. And Sn value 75. So if you apply that, we'll get A value.
Minus 35 by 3.
Very good. Is it Madan?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Yes, ma'am. Minus 35 by 3.
Yes, that A value apply in nth term of an AP, children.
$85 by 3.
85 by 3. Yes, 9. So that says n value 9 and Sn value 75. If you apply those values, you'll be getting A value minus 35 by 3. So they're asking us to find A9, nth term of an AP. So A9 means it is A plus 8D. So we know A value, we know D value. Apply that values, take LCM. We'll be getting nth term of an AP is 85 by 3. Shall I give remaining questions as homework, children?
Ma'am.
There are 10 questions are there. We finished 5. Remaining 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm giving as homework, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is 6th one, 7th one, 8th one, 9th one. Yes. Now I'm going to
Start.
4th question.
Ma'am, which all sums we should do, ma'am?
There are 10. Third main, there are 10 questions are there. So first 5 I finished. Next 5 you take it as a homework.
Okay. Same as the first 3, ma'am. Like that only, no, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay,
Next,
ma'am.
take on the 4th question, children. How many terms of AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636? Take then the 4th question. How many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636? Here they gave A value 9, D value 17 minus 9, it is 8. And here they gave Sn value 636. Finish writing, children. A value 9 they gave, D value 17 minus 9 is 8. And Sn value they gave 636. Substitute the values in the formula, children.
It's like the presentation is happening and not happening and happening and not happening because of the night. I'm trying to like this I'm trying to connect. Hotspot.
May I know who's this, children?
Amma bucket తీసుకురలా నాకు కారు పొడి అమ్మా
Yes, got the answer, children. Here we apply n value, Sn value 636, n by 2, 2 into 9 plus n minus 1 into D value they gave 8.
And 12 is answer.
So 636 is equals to n into that 2 if you cross multiply. Okay, here they have taken 2 common. 2 9s are 18 plus 9 n minus 1 into 8. Here they have taken 2 common. That 2 and 2 they cancel. 9 plus n minus 1 into 4. Then this 9 minus 4 is 4n plus 5. Then we are getting 4n into 10 is 4n square plus
Excuse me,
5n
ma'am.
equals 636. Yes, Saranjani.
Can you please explain the second step again, ma'am?
Here they've applied the value, n value to A value 9, n minus 1 into D value 8. After that 2 9s are 18 and here 8. In this the bracket one they've taken 2 common. Here 8 is there and here 2 9s 18 is there. If we take out 2 common, 2 and 2 gets cancelled. And here only 9 and out of 8, 4 will remain. Am I clear?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
So then they'll multiply 4 with this n minus 1. That is 4n minus 4. Then 9 minus 4 is 5. 4n plus 5. Then they'll multiply into this 4n plus 5. That become 4n square plus 5n. Then 636 they have taken towards right side. 4n square plus 5n minus 636. We are getting quadratic polynomial. So we need to factorize here now. So when you factorize 48, 53 is we are getting 636. When we are not getting the higher number, that factors, I just suggest you people to do the prime factorization so that you'll get the factors. These are two factors. So when we take out n minus 12 is a common factor. 4n plus 53 into n minus 12 is equal to 0. So n cannot be negative. So take the n value positive. Any doubt in the sum, children?
No, ma'am.
Only here you need to find a difficult with the factorization to get the factors. I said 636 into 4 you need to multiply. For that you should take the factors. Am I clear here? This 4 into 636 you multiply. The result you need to the prime factorization. So that is 48, 53 is the value we are getting. Then you need to factorize. N cannot be negative. N can be integer. But it is a here we are getting a rational number or a fraction. So take the positive value. Any doubt, children? Fourth sum. Next, fifth one. The first term of an AP is 5. First term of an AP means A is equals to 5. Write the values, children. A is equals to 5. The last term is 45. That is L value. L value or AN value. Anything you can take. L value 45. And the sum is 400. SN value 400. Finish writing, children?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
write the formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 into A plus L. I just told whenever they'll give A value on the last term, we can use the formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 into A plus L. So use the value A value 5, L value 45, Sn value 400. They're asking us to find out common difference. Find the number of terms and common difference. First find out n value, children.
Ma'am, n value is 16.
Very good. N value 16, apply in nth term. An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So n value 16 you have got.
Yes, ma'am.
400 is equals to n by 2 into 50. That 25 is equals to 400. So n is equals to 16, 1 6. Apply that n value, A value and an value. An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D.
8 by 3.
8 by 3.
Very good.
ma'am.
Yes, first Sn value they gave 400. A value, An value they gave 16. That value applying nth term of an AP. That we D value we are getting 8 by 3.
Answer is 8 by 3.
Very good, children. Shall we move on to the sixth sum?
Yes, ma'am.
The first and last term of an AP are 17 and 350. A value they gave 17 and L value they gave 350. D value they gave, if the common difference is 9, D value they gave 9. How many terms are there? And what is their sum? We need to find out N and Sn. Am I clear, children?
Ma'am.
Yes, apply the value. An value they gave, A value they gave, and D value they gave.
N is equal to
N is equal to 38.
Very good, correct. A value they gave 17, An value they gave 350, D value they gave 9. First find out N value. That n value, if you applying Sn value, you'll be getting result.
6973.
Have you all got the answer, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.